In this video, I'll show you how to get Salesforce CRM certified and start building your Salesforce credentials. The first step is to decide which Salesforce certification matches your career goals. If you're a beginner, the Salesforce Certified Administrator certification is one of the best places to start, as it covers the core features and functionality of Salesforce CRM. Next, prepare for the exam by studying the official exam guide, completing Salesforce Trailhead learning modules, and gaining hands-on experience with a Salesforce environment. Once you feel confident, visit Salesforce's official certification website, choose your certification exam, create an account if needed, and schedule your test either online or at a testing center. After passing the exam, you'll earn your official Salesforce certification, which you can add to your resume, LinkedIn profile, and professional portfolio. And that's how you can get Salesforce CRM certified.